Okay, so welcome to DCC. Today we are solving question number B of Codeforces round 853 div 2. The question has given us a string S, and we have given one operation in which we have to choose a section from L to R, and we have to invert the element. Okay, what I'm saying, like, if we have given string 10100001, and if we choose a segment from L to R, let's say from here to here, then our the character of these element will be changed. If it is 0, then it will convert it to 1, and if it is 1, then it will be 0, like this. So our string will be 11011. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to perform exactly one operation, and we have to make our string into a palindrome. What is palindrome? Palindrome is nothing but if if our string is like this, then when we'll read it from the left, which is equal to the read it from right, like 1001 and 1001. It is a palindrome. Okay, so after performing one operation, we have to make palindrome. Okay, so let's take some example. Let's say our let's take some two cases. When our first case is that, let's take first case when our string is palindrome already. Okay, let's take one palindrome, like this is a palindrome string, and if we want to make we have to perform exactly one operation, so we will choose this segment. So our string will be converted into 0110, and again this is a palindrome, so don't worry, if it is our palindrome, then the answer will be yes. Okay, but what if the case when our string is not palindrome, then what we have to do? So again we will take one example, 011011. Okay, so this is not our palindrome. So what we have to do, we have to check the first and the last element, like this is not equal. Okay, it is 0 and this is 1. So I have to start my L from here. Okay, because I have to convert this 0 into 1, because I have to do inversion. Again, I am here and here, it is same, so move forward, and again this is not same. So tell me that how can I choose one segment that such that these two elements, this element and this element, should invert such because these element will be equal to this, because I want to make this one into this 0 and this 0 into this one. So how can I do it? So the answer is no, because we can't choose two segments, and we can't take two operations, because if I choose this segment, the 0 will be converted into 1 and this one will be converted to 0, but this 1 will also change, which will give me the wrong answer. This is not a palindrome. Okay, so this is the only the edge case, that if if our array is like this, 0 1 1 0 1 0, here let's say 0 0. Okay, so this 0 is not equal to 1, this one is not equal to this 0, this one is not equal to this 0, and 0 is equal to 0. So I can choose this segment and I can invert this. So the array will, the string will become 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. So this part has become equal. So what we have to do, we have to check that if our, let's say this string 11011. Okay, so we have to check that if our array is not equal, there is no problem. We will we will choose from here to here. But if it is equal, now we are stuck here, because if in the later case, if these elements is not equal, I can't choose segment such that I can invert the element, so such that our string will be converted to palindrome. So this is the edge case, and means this is the solution. So you have to check for the basically you have to, what you have to do, you have to check if it is not equal, that's okay, it will be fine. But if it is, means if this segment and this segment is not equal, means they all are different, So I can choose this segment from L. I will take this L and this R and make the array into this. But if there are some equal elements and there are some equal elements and again there are some unequal elements, so I can't choose this segments because this equal statements, this equal characters will create some problem. Okay, so I can handle only one segment which is not equal. So this, let's say this segment is unequal, so I can take care of this. But if the case is here that here are some equal elements and here are some equal elements and again there are some unequal elements, so I can't I can't do in one operation. I need two operation, but according to question we have to perform exactly one operation. So in this case the answer is no. So how you will code this? Let's see the code and then you will be understand very easily. Not a big issue. My submission. Okay. Okay. This is my code. Okay. I have taken integer input. Okay. And I have make two variable, flag and odd. Okay. What is our flag and odd? So what I am doing, I am running a for loop of size n by 2. Let's say our string is uh, a1, a2. These are characters of my string a3, a4 and a5. So this loop is coming like I am checking this variable and this variable. If it is not equal, so I am taking odd equal to 1, that are not equal segments has started. This indicates that my odd segment is started. Okay, and if let's suppose these two elements are odd and if these two elements are equal, then this condition will hit. And the if my odd is already hit, then my flag will be 1. This indicates that my odd this indicates that my odd variable is previously done. Okay, means I have get the previously odd segment and now it is come it has come my equal, it is now in equal segment. Okay, and again if there is some element like let's suppose this is a6 and a7 and these two elements are unequal, means these two elements are unequal, and I am checking here if flag means that previously I have encountered one element, two elements such that they two are equal, and if it is true, then I have output no and return. But if our condition has not hit this one, then I will output yes. So this is the solution. If you will see the code carefully, you will understand. So okay, thank you.